just given away the D-Max and now we're on to our next giveaway, HILUX GR. We're down here at AutoCraze. They're gonna build this thing. Mo, what are we doing to the car?
We're going all out with this black bad boy over here. We're going snorkeling, light bar, lifting, wheels and tires, roller shuttering. This GR could be yours. We're gonna get it done. This thing's gonna look mint. Now, no disrespect to Toyota, it looks good, but it doesn't have the giveaway touch. We wanna give you this GR, the ultimate touch that could be yours.
All right, guys, car is done. Thank you to the guys at AutoCraze. Another sick build by them, and you could be the lucky winner. For 20 bucks, you can get your name into the draw, and just know that every entry supports a good cause because we're raising money for Ronald McDonald House Charities. Click the link, get your entries in, and I could be calling you. Good luck.